In from the Bhandup West fire that was reported in a COVID care center and the death toll that has now gone up to 10. A short while back, the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray was right there at the site to take stock of the situation. Joining us live from Mumbai is my colleague Piyush also. Well, Piyush, so far the questions that are now also arising, because on one side the Chief Minister seems to be saying that owing to the rising cases of COVID-19, this was a COVID care center that was built above a mall. But on the other side, the Mumbai mayor is saying a completely different story as to having no knowledge whatsoever of a COVID care center functioning over a mall.
Well, absolutely, and it is now raising a lot of questions as to why this hospital was also allowed to function here at Dreams Mall in Bhandup of Mumbai. Let me once again try to continuously show you the pictures. The firefighters are still trying to extinguish the fire. Remember that there are still images of smoke which is engulfing from this very mall. You can clearly see that firefighters are again trying their best to control the fire. As we are speaking, there are few flames also. Those are still inside inside this very mall. And there are firefighters who are trying their best to extinguish the fire. Also, you can see that flames, smoke can be still seen engulfing from this very mall, Dreams Mall. What is more important here needs to mention that at one side, Mayor of Mumbai says that she was shocked to hear about the fact that there was a hospital on the third floor of this mall. But let me try to show you a picture right in the front of this mall that it's the Sunrise Hospital, which is out in open. The board of this hospital is out in open, and there is also mention of this hospital that it is now open at Dreams Mall, Bhandup third floor, which is clearly telling us as to how it was out in open that yes, the hospital was there. The point here is that why didn't Mumbai mayor has information about this very hospital, the Sunrise Hospital, at the third floor of this building. Continuously we are showing you the picture, so where the firefighters are trying their best to douse the flames to control the fire. Also on the other side, let me try to show you the pictures. The people, onlookers, have gathered here in large numbers. Fire brigade vehicles have also been called in large numbers. Continuously we can clearly see here only fire brigade vehicles are parked here, and this situation is now certainly raising a lot of questions over the kind of arrangements, security arrangements. Also, those were made by the administration. Also, let me try to show you that all the shops surrounding this area have also been shut. All the shops have also been shut here, looking at the security concerns, so that people do not gather here in large numbers. But onlookers have come here once again. There is another attempt where the firefighters are trying to break the glass and douse the flames. Those are still engulfing from right inside this Dreams Mall. Let me also try to show you another picture. You can clearly see that there is a Carnival Cinema. Carnival Cinema is also here. There are three big things in this mall. One, this mall itself, where there are many shops. On the other side, there is the Carnival Cinema, and then there is hospital also. So that's the very place where thousands of people come every day, and there is mall, there is hospital, there is cinema hall also, which is certainly telling us the kind of occupancy which we can expect in this mall.